For those aiming to pass the Fortinet NSE 7 Public Cloud Security 7.2 NSE 7_PBC 7.2 exam, the NSE 7_PBC 7.2 study guide from Killtest is an excellent choice for preparation. Killtest understands the importance of acing the NSE 7_PBC 7.2 exam on your first attempt and the value of your time. Therefore, we are committed to helping you succeed in cracking the NSE 7_PBC 7.2 exam questions in one go. Our unwavering dedication to your success in the 7.2 NSE 7_PBC 7.2 exam is reinforced by our 100% refund guarantee, subject to terms and conditions. This guarantee instills utmost confidence in investing in our reliable and authentic Fortinet NSE 7_PBC 7.2 questions. Download the updated Fortinet NSE 7_PBC 7.2 study guide and begin your journey towards effective preparation for NSE 7_PBC 7.2 exam questions immediately. 1. Which two attachments are necessary to connect a transit gateway to an existing VPC with BGP? Choose 2. A transport attachment, B. a BGP attachment, C. a connect attachment, D. a GRE attachment. Answer: A. C. 2. Your administrator instructed you to deploy an Azure vWAN solution to create a connection between the main company site and branch sites to the other company VNETs. What are the two best connection solutions available between your company headquarters, branch sites, and the Azure vWAN hub? Choose 2. A. ExpressRoute, BGRE tunnels, SSL VPN connections, DNL2TP connection, VPN Gateway. Answer: A. 3. You are asked to find a solution to replace the existing VPC peering topology to have a higher bandwidth connection from Amazon Web Services (AWS) to the on-premises data center. Which two solutions will satisfy the requirement? Choose 2. A. Use ECMP and VPN to achieve higher bandwidth. B. Use Transit VPC to build multiple VPC connections to the on-premises data center. C. Use a Transit VPC with hub and spoke topology to create multiple VPN connections to the on-premises data center. D. Use the Transit Gateway attachment with VPN option to create multiple VPN connections to the on-premises data center. Answer: CD. 4. You are tasked with deploying a FortiGate HA solution in Amazon Web Services (AWS) using Terraform. What are two steps you must take to complete this deployment? Choose 2. A. Enable automation on the AWS portal. B. Create an AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) user with permissions. C. Use Cloud Shield to install Terraform. D. Create an AWS Active Directory user with permissions. Answer: B. C. 5. You must allow an SSH traffic rule in an Amazon Web Services (AWS) Network Access List (NACL) to allow SSH traffic to travel to a subnet for temporary testing purposes. When you review the current inbound network ACL rules, you notice that rule number 5 deems SSH and telnet traffic to the subnet. What can you do to allow SSH traffic? A. You must create a new allow SSH rule below rule number 5. B. You must create a new allow SSH rule above rule number 5. C. You must create a new allow SSH rule anywhere in the network ACL rule base to allow SSH traffic. D. You do not have to create any NACL rules because the default security group rule automatically allows SSH traffic to the subnet. Answer. B. 6. You need a solution to safeguard public cloud-hosted web applications from the OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities. The solution must support the same region in which your applications reside, with minimum traffic cost. Which solution meets the requirements? A. Use FortiADC. B. Use FortiCNAP. C. Use Forti Web Cloud. D. Use FortiGate. Answer. C. 7. When adding the Amazon Web Services (AWS) account to the FortiCNAP, which 3 mandatory configuration steps must you follow? Choose 3. A. Add AWS accounts through FortiCNAP. B. Enable cloud protection through AWS GuardDuty and AWS Inspector. C. Accept FortiCNAP to create CloudTrail for the account. D. Enable cross-reg ion aggregation. E. Launch the CloudFormation template. Answer. ACE. 8. You have created a TGW route table to route traffic from your Spoke VPC to the security VPC where 2 FortiGate devices are inspecting traffic. Your Spoke VPC CIDR block is already propagated to the Transit Gateway TGW route table. Which type of attachment should you use to advertise routes through BGP from the Spoke VPC to the Security VPC? A. Connect attachment. B. VPC attachment. C. Route attachment. D. GRE attachment. Answer. B. 9. How does the immutable infrastructure strategy work in automation? A. It runs a single live environment for configuration changes. B. It runs one idle and a single live environment for configuration changes. C. It runs 2 live environments for configuration changes. D. It runs one idle and 2 live environments for configuration changes. Answer. C. 10. Which 2 Amazon Web Services (AWS) features support east-west traffic inspection within the AWS cloud by the FortiGate VM? Choose 2. A. A NAT gateway with an EIP. B. A transit gateway with an attachment. C. An Internet gateway with an EIP. D. A transit VPC. Answer. BD.